Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let's go step by step in order to upgrade the Windows 10 to 11 very safely. We'll make sure your PC is compatible first. So we can start by checking out our system requirements. You need to have processor for that, minimum 1 GHz and RAM 4 GB, storage 64 GB or more, and also other requirements are there. You can just go and check it out. Now, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for Microsoft PC Health Check. So you can just go over to a browser and look out for Microsoft PC Check Health, hit enter, and you can download this application right here for your Windows 10, and you can just go over and run it, see if your PC can upgrade. And in order to upgrade it, another method we can do is we can go to our settings, look out for Windows Update, and there look out for Windows Update. If there is any kind of pending update available, you can just go over and download it. That should ensure smooth upgrade to your Windows 11. That is also something you can work out. Or within your settings, again, go to update and security, privacy and security, something like that. And then go over and look out for Windows Update from here as well if you find it and update it. And if you are eligible, you'll be finding option of upgrade to Windows 11 is ready, and you can click and download and install. Follow the prompts and your PC will restart several times. We can do so. Or we have other option available, which is downloading Windows 11 installation assistant from Microsoft. So you can just go over and look out for Windows 11 installation assistant and hit enter, and you can look out for it within Microsoft. And you can just go over and download Windows 11. You can run it, download now, run it, and follow the instructions, and that will upgrade your current system without wiping your data. And also you can check your post upgrade. You can go to your settings and look out for system, and within system go to about section here, and there it should show Windows 11. You can just go over and check it out and reinstall if apps if needed, and enable the Bedlock or TP on Windows Hello for security, and that's it. And that's it. Most Windows 10 PCs with valid license auto activate Windows 11, so no new key is required, but you can follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.